Hi there. So in this video, we are going to look at using a class to couple the data along with the functions that update the data. So in the last video, we looked at using state instead of a writable store. In this one, we're going to look at something that resembles a custom store from Svelte 4 or 3. So we're going to create a class here. We're going to call it farm, and then we're going to take these two, plop them right in here, and their types, so morning or night equals morning, and seeds of type string array equals this. And then we're going to bring the functions in here. So in progress time, we're going to pull that out, remove it from this component, and put it here. So progress time, and instead of farm, it's just going to say this. And here in plant seed, instead of it being here, we're going to pull that out and put it here. Farm.seed, so instead of farm, it'll be this. Okay, and then we need to export this farm. Need to create a new farm. You can do it like this, or if you wanted, you could have like you could export a function that only creates the farm when it's first called. Right now, just on load, it's going to create this farm. But if you had something more intensive, you could do something like export function get farm. And then if you don't have a farm, you create one. So farm equals new farm, and then return farm here. But that's a bit more boilerplate, but it could be a good idea for bigger projects. So you can just keep track of just having that one farm. Okay, so anyway, we got export const farm, and now we don't need this farm. And we're going to come in here and say farm dot plant seed and progress time. So here, one thing, if you're using classes, you can't just pass farm dot progress time like this. That won't work. You need to create an arrow function outside of it like that. Okay, so that will mostly work, but we do need those runes. So we're going to come in here, and we just need to wrap this in a state rune, these values, like that. So, or just to show you, without them, it's not working, but we add them in, and now it'll start working. Okay, so that's another way you can do it. If you want to have your functions for updating the state coupled along with the state, you can do it that way. And that's it for this video. Bye.